still snowing, Lovey, huh? It's still, she doesn't look too happy. It's still snowing. Look at that face. And you're on top of it. You don't even sink in anymore. It's ice. Ice, ice puppy, huh?
I'm happy there's too thick of a layer of ice for her to roll.
This is true. She's not getting her normal fluff of snow.
It's too hard.
Wow, 2:30 in the afternoon on Thursday. And it's still snowing. Oh.
You know it's really cold outside when you can see the heat waves in front of your own door.
Yep. Are you happy, Lovey? Are you happy? She looks comfortable.
She looks disappointed.
Nobody's
Lovey.
coming out to play with her, that's why. Nobody's coming out to play with me. Go play with her. You got your boots on.
Okay. Yeah, now she wants that. Oh, the snow is not good for packing.
No,
That's
it's...
cold.
Oh, she likes that, though. She says, that's great.
Oh, it's cold. Oh my gosh.
You have gloves on, don't you?
What?
You have gloves on.
Fingerless gloves.
Oh, well, that's not smart. Oh, she's not so sure about that. You want to play, Lovey, huh? You want to play?
It's so cold. It's something's melting on my hand.
No, she'll warm you up. She'll lick your fingers.
That's not helping. It's that cold.
Really?
No.
Oh, she's happy. She's wagging her tail. Oh, that feels so good, huh? Oh, so happy. You're so happy. Wow, it's solid, huh?
Yeah.